You've probably been there.
You type a prompt into an AI video tool, hit generate, and the character's face changes in every single clip. The camera angles feel random, nothing matches. You spend an hour stitching together 5 generations that look like they came from 5 different movies. Trust me, I burned through credits for weeks doing exactly this. But then I tried something new from OpenArt called SmartShot, and what caught me off guard wasn't the final video. It was what showed up before the video even rendered.
So in this video, I'll walk you through SmartShot by OpenArt,
a brand new tool that builds a full pre-production document from a single sentence, then renders a cinematic multi-shot video from it. I'll show you the shot plan it generates, the 2 AI models powering everything behind the scenes, and exactly how the workflow runs from idea to export. First up, let's talk about what SmartShot actually is, because it's doing something none of the other AI video tools are doing right now. What SmartShot actually is. Here's the thing. Most AI video tools work the same way. You describe what you want, you hit generate, and you get one clip. That's it. You're left to figure out how to make it look intentional, how to maintain a character across multiple shots, how to plan camera movement. All the actual directing falls on you. SmartShot does something fundamentally different. Before a single frame gets rendered, it builds an entire creative production document. The same kind of document a real film studio would put together before shooting a single scene. So you're not just generating a clip, you're generating a plan, and then the video that follows that plan. It's a completely different way of approaching AI video, and once you see the workflow, you'll understand why. The 2 models powering it. SmartShot runs on 2 of the most capable AI models available right now, working in sequence. The first is GPT Image 2, and this is essentially the thinking layer, the director's brain. It generates the entire shot plan, the characters, the environment, the storyboard, the camera angles, the shot sequence. Everything that would normally come out of a pre-production meeting between a director, a concept artist, and a cinematographer. GPT Image 2 produces it. The second model is Seedance 2.0, and this handles the execution layer. It takes the shot plan that GPT Image 2 built and renders the final cinematic video, with professional camera movement, lighting, and consistency baked into every frame. Here's the part that surprised me. You never interact with either model directly.
You just describe your idea, and SmartShot handles the handoff between them automatically.
The shot plan. This is where it clicks.
Okay, this next part is the wow moment. Stay with me.
Because once you see what the shot plan actually contains, the whole tool starts to make sense. When you type a sentence into SmartShot, let's say something like Zeus and Hades battle above the shattered skies of Mount Olympus, it doesn't just go straight to rendering. Instead, it generates a full creative direction document broken into 5 layers. The first layer is the character reference. You get front, side, and back views of every character, facial close-ups, costume and weapon detail, lighting specs, and notes on personality tone. This is what guarantees your character actually looks the same across every shot. The second layer is the environment and set design. SmartShot renders a full panoramic view of the scene, but it also gives you a top-down floor plan showing where the characters are blocked and where the camera moves. So you're literally seeing a map of your set. The third layer is the storyboard sequence. 6 labeled shots, each one with a named camera technique and a description of exactly what happens in that frame. This is the structure of your video, laid out cut by cut before anything renders. The fourth layer is the camera work and shot flow. And this is where I really started paying attention. SmartShot specifies actual lens choices, a 24mm drone shot here, a 35mm dolly there, a 50mm orbit, an 18mm crane, and plots the movement paths on the floor plan. These are real cinematography decisions, the same kind a director of photography would make on set. The fifth layer is lighting and mood. The color palette, Luti references, visual texture notes, and the aspect ratio. So if you want a 2.391 CinemaScope look, it's already in the plan. The thing to understand is this isn't a preview image. It's a full creative direction document. The same kind of output a director, a concept artist, and a cinematographer would produce together over days of pre-production. SmartShot generates it from a single sentence. The problem it solves.
Let me put this in plain terms. Every other AI video tool puts the burden on the user.
You write the prompt. You fight for consistency. You stitch together clips that don't match. You regenerate the same scene over and over, hoping the character looks the same as the last clip. And the result, more often than not, looks like an AI experiment rather than an actual scene. SmartShot removes that burden entirely. You described the idea. SmartShot acts as the director. It decides the shots, plans the camera, locks the character design, and then renders everything with consistency built in. So instead of acting like a prompt engineer trying to wrangle an AI, you get to think like a director with a creative crew already on it, how the workflow actually runs.
Here's the full workflow from start to finish, and it's genuinely simpler than you'd expect for what it produces.
Step 1, you describe your scene. One sentence. No special syntax, no prompting tricks, no learning a specific AI vocabulary. Just say what the scene is. Step 2, SmartShot builds the shot plan. The full pre-production document I just walked you through. Characters, environment, storyboard, camera work, lighting, and mood, all generated for you. Step 3. You preview and edit, which is optional but really useful. You see the entire creative direction before anything renders. Don't like a particular shot? Change it. Want different camera movement? Adjust it. Need a tweak to a character's outfit or expression? Swap it. You're directing the production before the cameras roll. Step 4, you generate. SmartShot renders a multi-cut cinematic video. Wide shots, close-ups, camera movements, all with the consistency you locked in during the shot plan stage. Step 5, you export. 10 to 20 seconds of production-ready video. Done. What makes it different from everything else?
I want to lay this out side by side, because the differences really do matter once you start using the tool.
With most AI video tools, you get random camera angles with no real intention behind them. With SmartShot, you get intentional camera language, orbits, dollies, push-ins, cranes, chosen deliberately for each shot. With other tools, your character changes every time you generate. With SmartShot, it's the same character, the same world, consistent across every frame. That alone solves one of the biggest pain points in AI video right now. With other tools, you're constantly fighting the prompt to get anything usable. With SmartShot, the creative direction is handled for you. Your job is just to bring the idea, and the output, this is the part that sticks with me. Other AI tools tend to produce something that feels like an AI experiment. SmartShot's output feels like it came from a director and a crew. That's the gap it's closing, where this becomes genuinely useful.
A few real-world applications worth thinking about.
If you're working on e-commerce or design content, SmartShot is a strong fit because the consistency layer means your product or brand identity stays locked across every shot. People are already using OpenArt's broader workflows to produce static ads at scale and build out brand design systems efficiently. If you make storyboards for movies or vlogs, the multi-shot pre-production capability is a real time saver. You can sketch out an entire scene structure, character blocking, camera paths, lens choices, in the time it would normally take to write a shot list. And if you're a creator producing AI-driven vlog content, the workflow lets you put together a complete project on one platform, without bouncing between tools for character generation, scene rendering, and editing. Pricing and how to try it. SmartShot launched on April 22, 2026, and you can access it directly at OpenArt.ai suite SmartShot. If you want to try the underlying models on their own, GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 are both available individually on OpenArt as well. The links are in the description. And for anyone watching, OpenArt is offering a 15% discount on the monthly plan with the promo code SmartShot. Click the link in the description to access 2 top-tier models for the price of one. That's GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 working together inside the same workflow, which is genuinely the strongest model combination available right now for this kind of cinematic AI video. So here's the bottom line. SmartShot isn't just another AI video tool. It's the difference between fighting an AI for one usable clip and walking away with a cinematic multi-shot scene that actually looks intentional. The shot plan does the directing, you bring the idea. And right now, you can get in at the best possible price.
Click the link in the description, use code SmartShot at checkout, and lock in 15% off the monthly plan.
That gets you GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0, the 2 strongest models for cinematic AI video, working together in one workflow for the price of one tool. Stop burning credits on clips that don't match. Stop stitching together scenes that look like 5 different movies. Click the link below, sign up, and generate your first shot plan today. 10 to 20 seconds of production-ready cinematic video from a single sentence, That's what's waiting for you on the other side of that link. Drop a comment with the one-sentence scene you're going to build first. I want to see what you create. Hit subscribe for more breakdowns of new AI creative tools as they launch. And I'll see you in the next video.